So hello everyone, how is it going friends? Today we are talking about an incredible and highly anticipated upcoming Chinese drama called Blossoms of Power. It's a powerful mix of historical, romance, revenge, and political power struggle genres. In this drama, we'll see Meng Ziyi starring as Shen Ji-hee, Gu Qingji, and He Yu playing the role of Crown Prince Xiao Huayong. The series is set to premiere on July 9 on Tencent Video and VTV. The story begins with Gu Qingji, the sole survivor of a brutal massacre. After losing her original identity, she starts a new life as Princess Shen Ji-hee of the Northwest. Once cheerful and fearless, Shen Ji-hee has now completely transformed. Her only goal is to take control of her own destiny and rise to the very top in this dangerous game of power. On the other side is Crown Prince Xiao Huayong. Though physically weak, he possesses extraordinary intelligence and a sharp understanding of politics. He navigates the palace conspiracies and power struggles better than anyone. When Shen Ji-hee and Xiao Hua-yong's paths cross, their fates become intertwined. Together, they face deep palace schemes, betrayal, enemies, and the deadly moves of the power game. Slowly, their partnership turns into trust and eventually blossoms into a beautiful love story. But in this battle for power, deception, revenge, and new challenges await them at every step. The biggest question remains, will Shen Ji-hee be able to take revenge for her past and write her own destiny? And together with Xiao Huayong, will she emerge victorious in this ruthless game of power? To find out the answers to all these questions, you'll have to watch all 36 amazing episodes of the drama, each with a runtime of about 45 minutes. If you love historical dramas filled with royal politics, revenge, strong female leads, romance, and intense power struggles, then Blossoms of Power definitely deserves a spot on your watch list. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with another fantastic Chinese drama.